Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove table without deleting text in Microsoft Word. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, just select the table which you want to delete, and once your table is selected you have to click on the layout option, but make sure there are two layouts option. The first one is after the design and the second one is after table design. We have to click on this one, and once you click there you will see the option for convert to text. As you can see here, just click on convert to text and this window will pop up, and as you can see there are multiple options, such as we can just separate our table from like paragraph marks, or also there is option for commas. Other you can go with whatever you want, but if you want to delete the table only and just keep your text, you can just select it on tabs and just hit on OK. And yeah, there you go, our table is gone but the text is remain as it is. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can remove table without removing text in Microsoft Word. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.